Audio Jungle.
Yeah, well, in broaching the important topic of AI, I got to give Randy and Dennis a chance to chime in. So, Randy, how about you first on the changing landscape with AI? Really, I mean, obviously, it's going to is affecting our whole lives, but that little sliver that is the laundry business. What are you anticipating coming next? Then I'll let Dennis add to it.
Yeah, I mean, I can give you an answer now, and when we hang up the call, that answer will be different. That's how quickly things are changing. Uh, but I think it drives into probably how Dennis is going to answer. I think how you market is going to change because you're so much more agile and understanding how individual customers navigate your store, when they do it, how they do it. Like all those types of insights are going to just be aggregated quicker, and you'll be able to respond more quickly, obviously, with them. I think we haven't even really gotten into systems. Can I automate certain things using AI based upon how and when customers are interacting with my store and save money that way? It's a wild card. And I think to Rob's point, if you're not leveraging some element of AI or technology, you're missing out. And I say this as a late adopter myself. I had to prove it out on my own, even things like uh, chat and things like that. It's here to stay. It's going to continue to move and move quickly. But if you have systems that are smart in one area, laundromats, it's going to move even quicker. So I think it's going to be exciting to see how it shakes down and how much laundromat owners individually, what their comfort level is with leveraging it.
Well, a couple things it makes me think of is what are we going to see at Clean 2027? So I think that 2 years is going to be like 20 years in the lifespan of just this one technology. And Dennis, Rob mentioned reading leases. I was at an association mastermind just 2 weeks ago, and just part of my mindset has to get around like what are the capabilities? Well, what are the things that you can put into that to be analyzed? And that was an eye opener for me about associations putting in membership data or even P&Ls and asking for our insights and observations. So, from where you sit with AI, what are some things that you think we can be, like your prior answer about marketing, like how can we sort of not be overwhelmed by AI, and what are some of the things that are going to be impacting our business in the new year?
Yeah, and this is a great one, right? Because it's really about well, it's really just about behavior shifts, right? Happening right now. We're no longer calling SEO search engine optimization, right? We're calling it search everywhere optimization. And it's no longer SEO, believe it or not, is GEO, right? Generative engine optimization. So when we're talking about this, right, I hear from customers all the time, right? I just really don't have time, right? And the fastest growing group of customers isn't looking, for the cheapest option, right? They want the easiest one, which is what makes AI so incredible. Gone are the days where you had to go to the library, look up a category of books and read every book until you get the answer. You just get the answer, right? So busy families, professionals, you got your caregivers, so small business owners just want their laundry handled for them, right? So this is the immediate gratification world. So for owners watching, right, the shift is really simple. It ties back to stop talking about your laundry and start talking about time saved and stress removed. If that's anything you're learning from AI, is that the behavior of the customer is more immediate and they're looking for something more immediate.
Yeah, and I think whether you're running an association, a manufacturer, a laundromat, start talking to AI about how you're being seen, and what that AI says about your business, and it's not the same as what SEO might have to say, and it can be a humbling experience, and but an important one to make sure that you're feeding in that knowledge base with the things you want folks to know about your business.